People are making money with AI every day. Here's how beginners are doing it. In this video, I'll show you 3 real AI tools you can use to start generating income with no hype or fake promises. First, let's talk about AI content generation. Tools like Chat can write articles, posts, and scripts for you. Step 1. Go to the platform. Step 2. Give the AI a simple command, like write a 500-word blog post about the benefits of a morning routine. It generates the text in seconds. Step 3. Sell that output. You can go to a freelance site like Fiverr, create a gig for AI-powered content, and sell blog post packages. Next is AI design. Even with no experience, you can use Canva's AI features to create professional logos or thumbnails. Step 1. Go to Canva and find their magic design tool. Step 2. Type in what you want. For example, create a YouTube thumbnail for a video about Bitcoin for beginners. The AI gives you multiple options. Step 3. Sell your designs. You can offer custom thumbnail packages on Fiverr or sell bundles of social media graphics on Etsy. Finally, AI-powered video creation. Tools like Pictory can turn simple text into engaging videos. Step 1. Go to the platform and select the article to video feature. Step 2. Paste in the script. You can even use one from the first tool and the AI creates a full video with stock footage and captions. Step 3. Monetize the output. You can start a faceless YouTube channel in a popular niche and use these videos to earn ad revenue once your audience grows. Start with one tool today. Follow for more AI money methods.